This is Cooley trying to pop a balloon.
If he swallows that thing,
He'll die. Pop it, Cooley, pop it. Goes the weasel. Ready? Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Cooley? Are you gonna pop it? Are you gonna pop it? You think you can, Mom?
yeah.
Here, I'll help you. He popped it!
Uh-oh, don't let him get that, though. In
Uh-oh.
the garbage.
Okay, let's go find another balloon. Where's the other balloon from Hannah's party? There's one. Can I reach it? Oh, I can't reach it. We got it. We got it. No. Alright, bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Google. Bye-bye.